This is the May latest in beauty box. Stay tuned and we can see what choices I have made this month. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well today. Today's video I have this is my May latest in beauty box, so let's get it on out of here. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well, it'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, but please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. So I need 30 odd more subscribers to get to the big 2,000 subscriber mark. When I do get to that 2,000 subscriber mark, there is going to be a giveaway. In this video here, I'm going to just show you what is going to be in the giveaway. There's 3 prizes, the main one being the Glossy Box 2021 advent calendar. I can't get my words out, and it's really super cool. So yeah, make sure you share my channel with your friends and your family. That would be very much so appreciated, because the quicker we get there, the quicker I can get on with the giveaway. So here is the box. Let's get it open so we can have a sneak peek. This box is £13.95 per month. It's £3.95 postage, and you pay postage for the first 3 months, and then thereafter the postage becomes free, which is really good. You pick 6 items from the website every month, so that is how it differs from other beauty boxes. And yeah, let's have a look. It doesn't look like much so far. Let's just bring everything to the top. There is a little sneak peek for you. So I have a link. I will pop that link in the information box and the comment box, and it'll get you a percentage off. My memory's totally gone. I can't remember. Is it 20%? I don't know, but next to the link I'll put a little note there just saying how much percentage you do get off, because I've gone brain dead. I've just come off night shift, so excuse me. But let's have a proper dig through here and see what we've got. Guys, so as usual, we do not get an edit card with this box. It would be pretty impossible for them to do an individual edit card for each and every person, because from the big long list of things that they can do, as I say, you can pick any 6 items that you want. The first 2 items I have in the box is a matching set. So the first product here is a shampoo, the second product is a conditioner, and they are by the brand Charles Worthington London. So this is Takeaway's Sunshine Protection Shampoo, helps minimise sun damage, dryness and colour fade for holiday hair protection. And then yeah, like I say, the matching conditioner. Super excited to try these out. There's 75 mils that you get in here, and I thought these would be perfect because I'm going away for a few days to a spa, my first ever time to a spa, and I'm super excited and I can't wait just to chillax and just drink cocktails and do bugger all and turn my brain off. It's going to be really nice, going for a friend's birthday. But yeah, I thought they would be perfect in my little suitcase, and it's not going to take too much room up, and I love trying new things on my hair. Third item I have chosen in my box is this. So this is by the brand Kingsley, and it is Maximizer Root Boosting Spray. There's 60 mils that you get in here. To be honest, I just saw the name Kingsley, and I always look at the size of the products as well before I actually choose the item, because I like bigger products if I'm honest. And I saw it was 60 mils, and I thought, yeah, I'm having it. Don't care what it is, Kingsley. But yeah, this actually sounds really cool. So yeah, a root boosting spray gives you some volume from the roots, which sounds absolutely fantastic, and I can't wait to try that. Has it got a nice smell to it? Oh, it certainly does. Oh. But yeah, love a bit of Kingsley. The fourth item I have chosen is this. So this is by the brand is that how you pronounce that? Gatanu? I'm probably saying that wrong, so I do apologise. But yeah, it's by the brand Gatanu Beauty, I believe it's called, and it's Radiance Enhancing Enzymatic Gummage. So yeah, I really loved the look at this. It's 75 mils that you get in here, and it just says apply once to twice a week to dry skin, massage in for 1 to 2 minutes until texture turns to liquid, Rinse with water. The complexion appears to be brighter and your skin radiant. Formulated with fruit enzymes, AHAs and vitamin C. So I am totally into this kind of thing at the moment. Anything exfoliation wise, anything that brightens is definitely well up my street. So I've just popped a little bit there. Feels quite thick. Just massaging it in. Oh yeah, so the more you massage it in, the more liquid like it gets. That's weird. It smells really nice. I'm losing my sense of smell. I think I'm coming down with a little cold, which I'm gutted about because I'm supposed to be going away tomorrow, but that actually smells really nice. I can't wait to slap that on my face. I might do that before I go to bed. Fifth item I have chosen is this. We have a mascara and it is by Rimmel London and it's Scandalise Reloaded, extreme volume and wear, easy removal. What is the brush like? That is the question. Oh, okay, yeah, that seems like a really nice brush. Hopefully that's going to grab a hold of my lashes and do magical things with them. Need all the help I can get. Yeah, kind of looking forward to using that. Who loves getting a new mascara? I can't wait to test it out. Sixth and final product. Right, so we do have another mascara, but only because I really struggled on what to get on the site this time. Before it was time to choose my box, I already filled my basket up with the 6 items that I wanted, but 3 of them went out of stock, which I was super gutted about. I think there was some lipsticks and some makeup items. So I was looking around thinking, I don't know what I want. So I stuck with something that I know that I really like, and it is the eyeko mascara. And it's Lash Expert Mascara, Wake Up and Go. I've had this mascara numerous times in different beauty boxes, and I know, let me just get it out there, I know that I like that brush. My eyelashes really like that brush, so I thought, let's be safe because I don't know what else to get. Nothing was jumping out at me. Let's get something I know that I like. The 2 free items that I got were these. So I think this one, it's by the brand Cetaphil. I think we basically get this in every month, which is fine. It's free. Luckily it's not one of the products that I've chosen or anything like that, but yeah, again, I have to keep remembering it's free, but there's only so many of these you can get, oh my goodness. But it's moisturising lotion. They do come in very handy, if I'm honest. If I'm having a very skin sensitive day and I want to pop something on my skin that's going to hydrate it and so on, this is very common. It doesn't irritate, basically. Normally with my skincare and stuff, I do like a bit of fragrance, but yeah, there are times where I can't have anything like that on my skin when my skin's playing up. So yeah, I suppose it is good to get. I'll pop it in my drawer. It will get used. The second free item is this. So this is Mint Melody. It is a tea bag, basically, green tea, 100% natural ingredients, single origin tea, the world's freshest tea leaves direct from India. So yeah, I'm not really into tea, so that's probably going to go to waste with me. I might pop it in my little giveaway drawer, so when I do a giveaway I can just slide it in somebody's box. But yeah, I mean, it's free, so I really can't complain. Right guys, so this was my May latest in beauty box. What do you think? Personally, I am very happy with what I've chosen. Now looking back at what I've got, I'm kind of thinking, why did I pick 2 mascaras? But as I say, I was a little bit disappointed. Before I made my choices, there was such a good selection on there to pick from, and I already had my 6 items. But the day came when I was able to actually do my box and get it, and 3 of the items have gone. Which, yeah, left me in a predicament thinking, what am I going to have instead? But I mean, I'm saying, why 2 mascaras? I love mascara, so they will definitely get used. The brushes look really nice. I know obviously that's a tried and trusted one. This one, the Rimmel one, yeah, we'll see if I like it. But yeah, overall I think it's a decent box. Let me know your thoughts down below. What have you chosen this month? Are you even subscribed to Latest in Beauty? Are you thinking about subscribing? If you are, click the link down below in the information box and the comment box and get a percentage off. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.